everybody, it's Renee from Tailspin Farm, and I am hopping on today for my second unboxing. The first video will go up tonight, and then this one will go up later this week. But I want to go ahead and get them both done because I am anxious to get this out of the box. You can see my Pollywog is back here behind me. The video is done. Like I said, will be up on the channel tonight. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I am a fiber artist. I spin, knit, crochet, dye yarn, and fiber, and I raise Angora rabbits. I have French, English, and German, and I've been doing this for about 18 years now. So welcome. If you have any comments, make sure to put those down below in my box or in the comment box. I am also a Spinolution dealer now, hence why the unboxings. So I'm really excited to get this started and to be doing this. I love these wheels and was really excited when I opened this one. I had no idea how portable it was, which I'm really excited about because I have some library and school events coming up here shortly. And my Monarch, which you can see in my other videos, is a large beast. And so I'm excited to have some different options for when I do things outside of my home. And they are here for you to try. So if you're in the mid-Michigan area, you can contact me. I am happy to help you if you are looking to purchase a spinning wheel. You can subscribe to my channel down below, click the like button, and then if you'd like to follow me more, you can go to Instagram and Facebook. I'm active both places, and my website is tailspinfarm.com. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me there. So let's get into this. I finally got the dogs calmed down. They were crazy over here rolling on the floor while I was doing the last video, so they have decided to take a nap, so I'm not arguing with them. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Spinolution wheels, I became familiar with them quite a few years ago, and I think it was through, which I mentioned in the last video. This is going to be a little bit of repeat because I'm doing it on the same day, but my friend Erin over at Crafty Housewife Yarns had them, and 2 years ago I made the purchase myself of the Spinolution Monarch, and then have decided at the beginning of this year to become a dealer, so I have ordered 2 more. My second one is in here, and we're going to open it up and see how to put it together, what it looks like out of the box, and then we'll do some quick spinning with it. So I love these wheels. They are versatile. They all have so many options for spinning and add-ons. This one is the basic wheel, and then goes up from there. I actually have the Monarch with the studio package, so I have quite a few options just with that. Bobbin sizes and things like that. If you're making a lot of yarn, that would make a difference. So let's open this up. And so they always ship these really well. I have not had any issues with either one the other one so far. You get your, oh, and I should tell you what one this is. This is the Echo. So you get your package with the drive band and then the screws and nuts and bolts in here. So this one's going to be a little bit more put together than this one was. This one was super easy, almost too easy. I was shocked. So, let's see. This is going to be my bobbin. This is a lot like my Monarch with the Pollywog. It sits in here. It's not down inside the base, it just sits on top of it, where my Monarch and this one go inside the base. So here's your bobbin and the bobbin head, your tension band, and it does have a handle. My Monarch also has a handle. This one does not need a handle because it's so easy and small and very simple to carry. So let's see, I need to figure out. And hopefully, it is a beautiful day here in Michigan. We've got the sun shining, and it's kind of got some light coming through there that's distracting, but hopefully this will come through on the video all right. We're supposed to be in this close to 60 today, which is amazing. but we have snow coming in a couple days, so today is Valentine's Day. These are, so both the Pollywog and the Echo is just the base, basic wheel. So I've got 2 bobbins here that come with it. And move some of this stuff here. Move some of the packaging for my other one. Again, they are all packaged well. You shouldn't have any problems in shipping. If you do, you can contact them. They're really great at customer service. Oh, here we go. Alrighty. So, this is the wheel. And it looks like all that needs to be put on this one is the pedals. And I did not look at, I'm going to try to do this without looking at the, just put a little piece of cardboard there to protect your wheel. I'm not going to look at the directions. They do have great instructions and stuff on the website. There are videos on the website, all the contact information, super helpful and easy right on there. So these don't come with any booklets or anything like that, so don't be surprised when you get yours. It's all on the website. And their website is really easy to get on and find things. So, this. Now this is more like my mom. Here. So these are the, where your feet are going to go. They're not actually the treadle pedals, but they're down below. And so you have these 2 right here, and you take the one and they just slide right in, and then we're going to screw them in, and then you do the same to the other one, and then you're going to put the bolts right in there. So let me open up this. Again, these are super simple to put together. I was talking on my other video, and I've talked about this before, let's see, I talked about this with my Ashford spinning wheel when I got that. It's been 18 years ago since I purchased that, and it took me hours and hours and hours to put that thing together. It was in pieces, and I ended up having my husband having to help me finish it off. So these ones, I will have to go get a screwdriver. These do have like a, I'm going to say, my husband's going to yell at me, it's a star-shaped screwdriver. So I think those are Phillips head screwdriver that you're going to need with this. So I'm going to, it also has your bolt that screws in this, which goes right here. And then you have your bolt that hooks right to the back to put your bobbin head on. It's got some fiber on it already. And I'm going to pause this and go get a screwdriver really quick. Okay guys, I am back with the screwdriver, and I turned on light because I lost some of my sun here, but I am just putting the pedals in, and just, there's 4 screws in the little package, the red package that you get, and you just twist them like you would. They're all lined up, ready to go. You tighten them in. And this one done real quick. Yeah, so this one, all you're going to need is a screwdriver. Do the other side. Again, they line right up. You can see right where it fits in here. Fits in perfectly. You just line it up there and put the screws in. There's really not much assembly to these at all, which is nice. That's why you don't need a 13-page instruction booklet on how to put it together. The other beautiful thing of these is they are made in the United States, out on the West Coast, and right now I think that's very important, and you can always get help easily and quickly from the Spinolution. Like I said, the website is easy to get into and talk to people, and there's lots of videos on there. Okay, now I want to, let me see, I want to make sure that you can see me do this, because this one's just a little bit different to put on. And once you get, I shouldn't have put this on yet, I got a little excited. You do want to check and make sure that your that your wheel, on any of the wheels you get, you want to make sure that they are spinning straight, that there's no wonkiness in them. And this one looks pretty good, spinning nice and straight. If there is, you can get on the website, but essentially you just have to pop it into place. Actually, I just pushed it a little bit, and I think, yep. So you just push it between here from the back, and that'll put it right into place. So to get this one drive band, I'm going to open it. That opens it right up. Hopefully you can see that. My treadle pedals come up. I am going to stick the drive band down in. I'm going to bring it up and over, and then you just kind of get this. This can be wonky, especially when you're trying to do it for a video. But you just get this around just like that. It's as easy as that. And then you're going to close these up, and you have this small drive band that comes in the package, and you're just going to hook it over top. There's two little pins or screws that keeps this closed for you, and it's all set to spin. So let me shift this around, and we'll do just some quick spinning so I can show you how this one works. All right, I kind of have it set so you can see my feet and hopefully my hands. And again, this one is has a little bit more pedal to it than what the Pollywog does, but it's just as smooth and easy. This is some Angora that I had carded last week. And again, your tension is right here on the top, which it's hard to see. Let me move you up right there. You can see the tension knob is right here. So if you have to do any adjusting for your spinning, and it's just as smooth as silk to spin with this. So, and that's that. It took me, you know, minus looking for the screwdriver, probably 10 minutes to put together. Super simple, super easy. This is how your Spinolution wheel will come in the mail. And let's see. Oh, you can tell I'm out of practice with these. My camera does not want to set well. All right, guys, I apologize for that. So again, if you have any questions, you can message me, comment down below. You can contact me on Instagram or Facebook, or on my website. You can find me anywhere at Tailspin Farm. And thanks for stopping by today, and I hope these videos were helpful. Have a great day, and I hope you're creating something.